Even I get a little whiff of the band. I'm like, welcome to my channel. It's me, Maverick Lee, and today I have something special for you. I have the Whoop SuperKnit band. Now this band is the standard band that comes with all Whoop 4.0s when you first buy them. Today I am going to talk about the SuperKnit band. Currently, as of 2024, there is around 11 solid colours available for the band, and there's also around 8 printed colours available. Let's get straight to it and open this band. It's said that this band is made from microfilament yarn, which makes it super comfortable. As I mentioned at the start of this video, there is actually a variety of colours you can choose from. That's why I like the SuperKnits, because you can always almost get any colour that you desire. For all my viewers and subscribers out there, do you know which colour I have went for? Can you guess? I have went for the rare and hard to get, sought after white Arctic band. Now this is perfect for me because I currently live in a tropical climate which is very, very hot. So this is white, and you know what they say about white? It reflects the sun, and of course it helps reflect most of the sun's heat, or so they say. I just think white looks great in the sunshine. It's almost like having a white car. I mean, you could get one white car and put it in the cold weather and it would look awful, but you could choose the same white car and put it in the hot weather with the sunshine and it would look gleaming. So that's why I went for the white band, because I want to look gleaming. As you can see, there is the metal clasp, a white metal clasp right there. It looks all white for an all right white on white. Now this one here, the standard one, which comes with the 4.0 when you first buy it, obviously it doesn't come in white, it comes in black when you buy the Whoop. But this right here must be one of the most sought after ones, because I realized it's very, very rare and hard to get online. The fast link, hook and clasp is all made from stainless steel. It's also a one size fits all, if you're wondering. According to sources online, this SuperKnit band is actually made with 52% polyamide and 41% polyester and 7% elastane. Now, I know I'm holding the Arctic SuperKnit, but I already have the black SuperKnit on, so I already know from a tried and tested experience what I think of this band. Now, I've had this band for, I would say, a little over 3 weeks, and believe it or not, it is already smelling. Now, I am somebody who practices very good hygiene. I often go in the shower 2 times a day, but even sometimes 3, and believe it or not, even 4. But don't tell anybody that, because they might assume that I've got strong OCD. As I've mentioned in some of my previous videos, I not only currently live in the tropics, but also I do a lot of exercise sports activities. So this is why I have to shower multiple times throughout each day. I don't believe that is an excuse for the band smelling, because I shower right after physical activity. I mean, I live nearby where I work out and do exercise. So I'm straight in the shower straight away. So there is no excuse for my strap to be smelling like sweat. And because it's so hot, everything dries instantly. I'm talking, if you do the laundry before lunchtime, everything is bone dry. And that's indoors where it's cooler. So yes, it's a beautiful strap. It feels very good. It looks very good. But a little over 3 weeks, it was already smelling. And I mean smelling. And I wouldn't even say it was like a strong smell of sweat, because it can't be sweat. It's impossible that it's sweat, because it's always clean straight away, always. The only way I can explain it is a bit like a moldy smell. And I mean, sometimes I sleep on my front and even I get a little whiff of the band. I'm like, you know, when you're just starting to nod off and relax, and all of a sudden you get this whiff, you know, what the hell is that? And you're, oh yeah, it's that thing, which is terrible if you ask me. So I will not be wearing this all the time. I will just be wearing it for special occasions. And if I can help it, I certainly will not be wearing it when I work out. Now, for those viewers out there who have had a similar experience to me with the smells coming from the band, even with as low as, 3 weeks, then I advise you to gently wash this by hand using a little bit of soap and water. You should let it dry naturally outside. This should help a little bit. Whoop currently has a return policy of 30 days, so as long as you do not wear it, you can return it within 30 days. What do you think of this? What do you think of the colour? What do you think of the visuals? What do you think of wearing it in nice, hot, sunny weather? Does it look good? Would you like one? Do you think this is actually rare because it's quite hard and quite sought after online? What's your thoughts? Which one do you prefer, the white or the black, if you had to choose? Stay tuned to my channel. Do not forget to like and subscribe. And the reason I say subscribe is because I have also discussed the Whoop 5.0 and the Whoop 4.0. The Whoop 4.0 is an opening, unboxing and review when I first got my baby. Soon I will be posting the HydroKnit video, so stay tuned.